Welcome to Banana, a professional software similar to Excel. Cash Manager helps you to manage all the movements of your cash or bank account. This function is based on the concept of income and expenses. Cash Manager is a completely free feature. Create a new file. To create a new accounting file, click on the Create New icon. Choose the region and the desired language. Select the category that best suits your business. Select the accounting type. Then choose the Cash Manager option. You can select an accounting template or choose a blank file. Fill in the File Properties window with your information. Change the name of the business. Enter the opening and the closing date. Choose the base currency. Click OK and start your accounting. Accounts table. Go to Accounts table. Base view. Use the Accounts table to enter the opening balance of the cash account. In the opening column, enter the opening balance. Edit the example balance. And enter your real opening balance. Adapt the Categories table. Accounts are grouped in the Categories table, and they are divided between income and expenses. Edit the categories according to your needs. You can add new categories or remove existing ones. Insert transactions. In the Transactions table, insert the accounting movements. For each transaction, enter the date, the description of the movement, the income amount, or the expense amount, the category related to the transaction. Repeat this process for each transaction. Every time you enter a new transaction, you can check the balance of the cash account in the balance column. You can also check the trend of your liquidity by viewing the charts option. The Cash Manager features is completely free. Discover also the other Banana features. For further information, please visit www.banana.ch.